Dear students, welcome to the fourth session of the online tutorial. This week, you are going to learn about different kinds of business letter. You can find this week's topic in Module 4, which consists of 2 activities. By the end of this topic, you are expected to be able to distinguish different kinds of business letter and write business letter accurately and appropriately. Please study the material and enrichment link below. Afterward, please participate in discussion forum 4 and submit the assignment 1 if you have it. Thank you. Keep spirit and good luck.